Solving quadratic equations using formula. Solving the quadratic equation ax squared bx plus c equals 0 where a, b, c are constant and a is not equal to 0 by completing square. We learned how to take completing square without using the formula. Today we are going to build up a formula to make that easy. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Ax squared plus bx equals plus c when goes to this side minus c. Now we have to divide this all terms by a. A squared by dividing by a x squared b over a equal c over 2 c over a. When we write x plus b over 2a squared, x squared middle term x into b over 2a into 2, then bx over a plus b squared over 4a squared. But that term is not there. Therefore, we have to remove that term. When we write this as like this, there is occur unnecessary term, that is b squared over 4a squared. To remove that, we have to write it minus b squared over 4a squared. Minus sign, then this term goes to this side, plus b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. When taking common denominator as 4a squared, we can write it as b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. When we take the square root, x plus b over 2a squared, square root of x plus b over 2a squared, x plus b over 2a. Square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. X equal minus b over 2a plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. 2a is common, therefore we can remember that equation, that formula. You have to keep in mind this formula. X equal minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Let's substitute the value for this formula. As an example, x squared minus 2x equal 4. When 4 goes to this side, we can write it as x squared minus 2x minus 4 equals 0. Write down ax squared plus bx plus c. Now compare a, b, c terms. A equal 1, b equal minus 2, c equal minus 4. Then we can write this as, first we have to mention the formula, x equal minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. X equal minus b equal minus 2, therefore write it within bracket. Plus or minus, within square root you have to write b squared mean minus 2 squared minus 4 into a mean 1, c mean minus 4, therefore put a bracket. Minus into minus plus 2, minus so plus or minus. Minus 2 squared 4. Minus 4 into plus 1 minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. Always you will get the square root in plus number, because the square root of minus number still not teaching to you. That will teach in A-level maths, right? Still for O-level you will get the square root of positive numbers. 16 plus 4 equal square root of 20. 2 plus or minus square root 20 over 2. X equal 2 plus or minus 20, we can write 4 into 5. 4 square root of 4 we can write 2 square root of 5. Then we can write it as 2 plus or minus 2 square root 5. 2 is common factor. When remove that, when get it as a common factor 1 plus or minus square root 5. We can cut 2 to 2. Denominator also to numerator. There is a numerator 2. 1 plus or minus square root 5 we found that in previous video 2.23. Then x equal 1.2.23 plus 1 plus 2.23. Then the answers are 3.23 minus 1.23. Example number 2. X squared equal 4 times x plus 2. 4x plus 8. X squared, 4x goes to this side minus 4x plus 8 goes to this side minus 8 equals 0. Then write down the trinomial again. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. In this case a equal 1, b equal minus 4, c equal minus 8. X equal minus b, our formula is x equal minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Minus b is minus 4. Therefore put a bracket. Plus or minus b squared mean minus 4 squared. Minus 4 into 1 into minus 8. Then 4 plus or minus 16 plus 32, 48. 4 plus or minus square root 48 over 2. We can write 48 as 16 into 3. Square root of 16 is 4. Therefore, we can write it as 2 times 2 plus or minus 2 square root 3 over 2. Then we can cut 2 to 2. Then answer is 2 plus or minus 2 times 1.73. 2 plus or minus 3.64. 46. 2 plus 3.46 or 2 minus 3.46. Therefore, the answers are 5.46 or minus 1.46. When we take the third example, 2x squared plus x minus half equals 0. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A is equal to b is equal 1, c is equal minus half. X equal minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Minus b is equal 1. Plus or minus square root b squared mean 1 squared minus 4 into a mean 2, c mean half. Over 2, a mean 2 into 2. A is equal to 2 into 2. Minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 4. Square root of 5 we can write 2.23 over 4. Minus 1 plus 2.23 over 4 or minus 1 minus 2.23 over 4. Then 1.23 over 4 or minus 3.23 over 4. 0.3075 or minus 0.805875. Okay, I think it is clear. We can find the quadratic complete square. We can take a solution of x by getting a quadratic equation by using a completing square. By using these two methods, formula or taking the complete square method. But to use the formula, you have to keep in mind this formula. If question has given without using formula, you have to follow the method I taught that in previous video. Thank you.